Power Poppy. I am here to save your cartwheel day. Are you ready? These are some things that can go wrong with our cartwheels, and I am going to fix them. First one. Sometimes, when we are first learning to cartwheel, we start by doing our little monkey jumps all the way over a block like this. Sometimes that's actually really far, isn't it? That's a really long way. Sometimes that's really difficult. Will you give it a go for me?
Okay.
You might land on your knee. Oh, that's very difficult. So we can make it a little bit easier, just like this. We can put our hands down the other side, and we can use a couple of hoops so that we're jumping a shorter distance. Look, boing, boing. Give that a go for me. You could use a little bench at home or a little toilet step, whatever you have. We can make this then a little bit trickier as we go and as we learn. That's it. So now we have to hands down jump around all the way to the yellow hoop. That's it, just like that. Well done, Power Poppy. Shall I show them something else that goes wrong with cartwheels sometimes?
Yeah.
Here. I'm going to put the hands in the wrong place. Sometimes people try and do cartwheels, but with their hands in like a handstand place, and we don't really know how to get over. So look, show us, that's really tricky. Ooh, yeah, all sorts of things going on there. So what we can do is we can make the hands go here so that we really turn them. Watch this. So we really, really have to turn our hands around. Can we give it a go?
Yeah.
Turn our hands around. Exactly. So we're starting to learn how to cross our body, how to turn our hands and get into our cartwheels. Something else that goes wrong quite a lot is we do cartwheels and we can't land on our feet. Will you show us one? Sometimes we do cartwheels and we just can't land on our feet. Ready? We just cannot land on our feet. This is why we have a block like this. This gives our legs a little bit of extra time to go down onto the ground. Will you show? That's it. Look at my legs. They can lift up really high and they have time to land on the ground. Do one more because that was so beautiful. Go on, show me one more. That's it. As you can see, my hands are going up a bit higher and my legs can kick over the top. There we go. Power Poppy, do you think your legs could be a little bit higher?
Yes.
I think they could, and I've got a way to help you do that. So, this is where your hands are going to go, but I've got something over here. Look. If we put this here, we can see if we can cartwheel and kick our legs over the top. Let me show you one first. Ready? Look, my legs over the top. You try. Oh, not that way, this way.
Okay.
Legs over the top. Yeah, that's tricky. This can start low and it can get higher and higher as we're learning to get our legs higher. Well done, Power Poppy. After we've been doing cartwheels for quite a while, we change from a star shape into a lunge. Will you show me your lunge? Just like that. Now, at this point, sometimes we forget actually which way round our hands might want to go. So I'll show you one first over here. Look, I'll show you one first. We might lunge this way, put our hands this way, and then get very stuck trying to do a cartwheel. This usually means that the leg they've got in front is wrong, because the direction our hands want to go in is usually the way their hands want to go. Okay, so we need to do, that's it. Show me your lunge. Let's have the other leg for me. Other leg, so your hands are going to go on the hands that way. Whoosh! Just like that. Well done. Hey, Power Poppy, did you hear something? I think someone else needs help with their cartwheels. You're so good at them now, you can help me. Let's go, let's go.